with Kim Schrader.
Thanks, Aaron. Basically, customer service to FormFast consists of two different groups of individuals. One of them being account management and the other being technical support. Typically, these two groups of people get introduced to our clients once an installation has been completed and a project has been closed. Typically, the first person that you'll hear from is typically your account manager. There is an account manager assigned to each client. Typically, once a project is closed, they will reach out, they will introduce themselves, they will make sure that we have all of our contact information entered in our system correctly, and then they will also start advising that there will be a couple surveys that will be going out within the next year. One of those being a project survey, getting your ideas on how your project went, if there's any way that we can improve. There's also going to be later on a customer service survey to see that you're getting the service that you were expecting. If you have not already met your account manager, you will be meeting them soon. They are making it a point to reach out and make sure that we have all of our information up to date. We do understand there is some turnaround sometimes at the facilities, and we want to make sure that we keep all of our contact information up to date. If you're possibly thinking about switching your HIS systems, things like that. They'll also reach out to you to let you know about some upcoming events that we may be having, maybe some trade shows, or like today, the user group. And then they'll also maybe reach out to you and be able to answer some questions about additional services or products that may be available. They are basically going to be the liaison between you and FormFast. If for any reason you have any questions about anything, maybe you want to check to see what kind of products are new, you want to reach out to them. If you want to give some kudos to a particular person that you've been dealing with, feel free to get in touch with them. Also, if you feel like you're having an issue in a certain area, they will be the people that you're probably going to be the closest with within the FormFast environment. Once you talk to them, you will then be introduced basically to our technical support group. Our technical support group is out there to assist in troubleshooting issues that a hospital has in making sure that our product runs effectively. Typically, how our technical support works is an issue occurs in the hospital, and they reach out to the trained IT staff at your facility. Once your trained IT staff can't figure out how to resolve an issue, then we ask that they contact FormFast to get assistance. There are a couple different ways that you can reach out to us. We have a technical support number. You can reach out to us via the web, and you can also reach out to us via email. Email is possibly the preferred method, only because you can get into detail as much as you would like, attach screenshots of issues that you're having, anything like that. We typically go off of a case system. So once you contact us, we gather the information of what kind of an issue you have. We then provide you with a case number, and then one of our technical staff gets in touch with you. And we work with you through the issues to try to help get it resolved. As I had stated, we do ask that the person contacting us is a trained FormFast administrator. We ask this because some of the questions that we may ask will need someone that has been trained in our software and understands some of the lingo, some of the things that we bring up. Our technical support team works from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. If there is an emergency issue that arises after those hours, we do provide you with a 24-hour hotline to contact us. We do ask that this hotline be used for emergency issues only. If there's something that can wait, we ask that you wait till normal business hours to reach out to us. There are also ways that you could possibly get some answers without contacting technical support. You can go into our user group. Our user group has videos out there to show you how to do things. They have chat sessions. You can also download the manuals. And all of this just kind of helps build your knowledge in our software. So, you know, feel free to give us a call if anything were to arise when you have any issues. We also understand that sometimes with turnaround in facilities or just maybe non-usage by certain employees, sometimes additional training is necessary. We do provide additional training and a couple different options for you. The one that we see the most is typically an on-site visit from our staff. We can come outside on-site and do a one-day form design training or 2-day fast print training. You can choose one or the other, or you can choose both. We also offer once a year, we've been holding a St. Louis training, which provides hotel accommodations and the training sessions for 3 days. Another way that we offer training is via the web. The web session typically, though, is used as a refresher course. We typically like to keep that below 4 hours just because of after 4 hours you may not be paying as close attention. Those web sessions are pretty much built around your request on something that you feel that you need a little bit more training on. So that's just kind of a refresher kind of thing. If this is something that you're interested in, you know, reach out to your account manager and they'll get you information. Also for the technical support, we do provide a document to our clients that explains how our support works, what our hours are, severity levels on how we break them down, and response times. It also gives you all of the information that you'll need on how to contact us. So if this is a document that you would like to have, I encourage you to either email us at techsupport@formfast.com or call our main number and we will be happy to get this out to you. It's kind of a nice little document to have in your IT area just in case someone needs to get in touch. That kind of explains our customer service department. Are there any questions?
Yep, there are a few questions that came in, and I think you just mentioned it, but just to make sure we cover it, the email address for support is?
It is techsupport@formfast.com.
Excellent. And I just threw up a slide to where it has some of the other main points of contact there, the phone number, the web page, formfast.com/contact, which will take you to a number of different types of contact, and then the user group that Kim mentioned as well. Another question that came through, you said the tech support is from 7 to 7. Just to verify, what time zone is that?
That is Central Time Zone.
Okay. And are the webinars that you mentioned from support, they consider a billable service or part of the support agreement?
The WebEx sessions that we do hold is a billable service, and you can choose how many hours you would like to have that WebEx session, up to 4. So, you know, like I said, it's built completely around your specific request. But yes, it is a billable item.
Okay, and I know that we also offer a number of other additional services. Maybe you could fill everyone in on what sort of other services we offer.
Well, some of the services that we have we are doing consulting services. Once again, and these are billable, but consulting services, if you're interested in having us kind of get in your system and audit it and make sure that the system is running to its efficiency, we offer that. We also offer smaller applications that many people may not be aware of. We offer financial applications such as checks and billing statements and W-2s, 1099s, UBs, and HCFAs. I don't know that everyone is aware of that, but there's smaller built-in applications that we do offer our clients.
Got a question about SQL database support. Do we offer options for that?
I might have to refer to one of my technical staff to get back on that one.
Yeah, it looks like one of our tech staff is on the line. So if you could reach out if you could send that response to me, I'll forward that on to the person who asked about it.
Great.
And finally, what's one easy way that customers can improve their FormFast environment?
One of the most important things to help maintain, keep everything running well, is to upgrade your software. And if you don't know when upgrades are, being released, we ask that you sign up for the newsletter. You can always call us as well to see what version we're running, but that is the most effective way to keep everything running smoothly. Upgrade the software. We do offer them, I believe, annually. So.
Great. Well, thanks, Kim. Well, it looks like we have one more question that came through. Let's see. Does your document library include suggested job aids or how-to information with graphics? I think this is in reference to the manuals that we provide.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
Yeah, I think the nature of the question is do our training manuals have walkthroughs to explain how the process works with graphics and screenshots?
I believe it does, yes. And like I said, if you can go to our user group, you can download those manuals at any time.
And we have another question about how to sign up for the newsletter. You can do that at formfast.com/contact. Once again, that'll have a number of different types of contact there for requests for information, for demonstration, for technical support, as well as an icon that will allow you to sign up for the newsletter. As I mentioned yesterday, it takes a couple of seconds to do, so we encourage everyone to do that so that you can stay up to date on new products, FormFast events, and other news that we feel like is important to share.